Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maryland crab soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients and prepare your workspace for an enjoyable cooking experience. This recipe focuses on ease without sacrificing the rich, authentic flavors you expect. We'll cover everything from selecting the best crab to simmering your soup to perfection. Get ready to create a comforting dish that's perfect for any occasion, even if you're new to cooking. To begin, you'll need 1 pound of high-quality lump crab meat. Fresh is always best for superior flavor. Next, gather your vegetables. 2 cups of diced celery, carrots, and onions will form the aromatic base. Don't forget 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 4 cups of either chicken or vegetable broth. A touch of Old Bay seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, is also essential for that classic Maryland taste. Start by sautéing your diced celery, carrots, and onions in a large pot with a little olive oil until they're tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, pour in the crushed tomatoes and broth, stirring well to combine. Add your 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Finally, carefully fold in the lump crab meat during the last 5 minutes of simmering. Once your soup has simmered and the crab meat is heated through, it's ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls and, if you like, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a touch of color. This hearty soup is fantastic on its own, but it also pairs beautifully with a slice of crusty bread or a light side salad. It's a comforting meal that's surprisingly easy to make. And for more great tips and deals, including a link to a fantastic book on personal finance, be sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.